Hey guys, welcome to today's first episode of The Sims 4. Today it's my first day playing. Sorry I didn't film making this sim. Her name is Leanne Gables. Um, we are going to make a sim in this video. And her name's going to be Bryn. But they're not going to be related or anything, so they're just going to be like best friends that live in the same home. My hope is that we get like a huge house in like the next episode, because we don't really have that much money, as you can see. So hopefully we do that, and yeah. So her traits are there we go. Her traits are collector, clumsy, genius, and family-oriented, just because I was going weird, didn't really know what to do. So if I mess up on something, please tell me. And why is that open? Please tell me, and hopefully, oh, you should go to sleep. Hopefully you guys can help me through this. There's no monster under the bed. And yeah, don't know why that's blinking. Sorry. So, Bryn's bedroom is going to look totally different in the next episode. Not like I'm going to do it off camera, I'm going to do it in the next episode. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah, so we're gonna try and get her on a normal sleeping schedule. Oh, nope, that is not on normal. Don't even know why the sun's up yet. Uncomfortable, I know. Gonna have cake. Take a piece. Gonna have cake for breakfast. That's fun. Then we're going to make this lamp auto. Auto lights. All lights. Oh, why is there two? I was playing off camera for a little bit when I created this sim, and I met these people, and I'm good friends with these two. For some reason, they both think they're having a flirty introduction with me. I asked for funny, but that's fine too, I guess. So now you're going to clean that up, and then you're going to get changed. Please, please get changed. Who are you? Who runs in the morning? I guess people do. We could go for a run. No. Okay, so I guess we can get right into making this sim. Yeah. Wait. Oh no, we might have to make a sim in the next episode because I don't really know how. So tell me in the comments if you want like a big house or a tiny little cottage house. The big house would be like modern. I'm leaning to more modern, but up to you. How do I get to another world? Here we go. No, we're not. Just travel in general. We're not going to invite anyone. We're gonna go somewhere. Okay, we're going. Wait. traveling with Gables. That's funny. Okay, can we go over here? Kim Lewis, that's nice. Let's go to, oh, these are so pretty. That's really nice. Okay, we're going to go to Oasis Springs for some reason. Let's go to Desert Bloom. Let's go there. Hopefully we'll meet some people. Okay. So everything's up. Ooh, who are you? You ran through a wall. That's really nice. Teen, dang it. Teach dancing. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, for some reason Leanne brought her book. No, I guess he was a teen. I'm a young adult. Let's just make you something. Practice making drinks, shall we? Is there anyone else around? Pause. So, wait. Is that a child walking around here alone? We're not dating him. So, oh my gosh, that's a girl. Okay. Child? Hello? According the monoxide. Wait. Is that an old man? Don't talk to me, buddy. Don't talk to me. Okay. So, I just realized we went really early. Is there anyone else around here that I can talk to? That is not a teen. Adult. I'm a young adult. Teen. Okay, literally, just before I turn this on. Oh, there it. Let's set these two up. Right before I got on, I literally was like, let's age you up. There's no one teenish around here. Well, we're gonna stay a young adult, teen for a while. So, I guess wait, let's unpause this. You got one in. Do you like her outfit? After we're gonna dance. You're a teen. No, you're an adult. I want to find someone and we can get romantic. This guy. Spouse. Can we like break them up, please? Okay, so I had everyone over. I have no idea why. I was doing my homework because I was a teen still. And I was doing my homework in the game. And like all these people randomly just showed up. This girl, Liberty, she brought a fruit cake. And then I got really sick after that. So, let's invite. We're going to. We're here. Let's get. Where is he? There we go. There he is. That was awful. Okay, now you're gonna stop playing the guitar, and you are going to romance him. Right now. Flirt. Why is he embarrassed? Now we're going to ask about his career, if he even has. Oh gosh, that is really how you flirt, guys. You walk right in front. You walk. Why is he so embarrassed? Give fake bad news. This is gonna be funny. Okay, you're not allowed to be embarrassed. No! Pause this game. Who are you? You're an elder. Share brilliant ideas, please. And then we're going to no, not yet. We're going to compliment his appearance. Okay, we're hopefully. Wait, what? Oh. Get to know. Let's get to know him. Because how does that make us not friends? Interesting. Look how angry she looks. That can't be good. Poor girl. Okay, stop, guys. You have to get married someday. Okay, at first, oh, they're going to practice their appearance because they like each other. Tell a joke about Sunset Valley. Oh no, don't go in the men's room. Ugh. Imagine if he was going to the men's room. Ugh. That's really funny. Boast about family, because hopefully someday we will get to know him enough to have children. Joke about politics, yeah. Donald Trump. Discuss local fishing spots. Oh! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He just oh, aw. Why is he so rude to me? Stop, man. Get your butt over here, Leanne. He's just waiting for you to tell him an engaging story.